face.
Is there numbers starting?
Yes, we're on 4.
Okay. So, right here, we're at the top of the stairs, and I'm about to fall off, but you start walking down the stairs here.
This is going to be terrible, Mackenzie.
just walk down. Okay, worry more about your walking than your...
So Grandma falls down the steps.
We got junk on the stairs, but it's fine.
I showed him the junk on the steps.
Oh my gosh, there's a cat down here. Okay, so I have cheated a little bit. This isn't the complete before. I have moved around furniture, and I'll insert clips where I cleaned my basement a couple of videos ago, and that was like what it looked like before this. But what I have right now is games and music stuff. Finally got my karaoke machine working.
Cool.
Over here we have more games, but this is more like Wii stuff. And then our go-to games like Cards Against Humanity and What Do You Meme?
You're going to have to do some major editing.
It's fine. I have to do that anyways. And then I got my desk. I'm working on a project right now with these flowers, so ignore that.
Oh, they could have, because I didn't show it to them until you said ignore it.
We got the foosball table with
Foosball?
some
With a light
junk shoved
on it.
underneath.
Ooh, junk underneath.
Got our bean bags, some more video game equipment. And this actually needs to be put back up in the ceiling, but...
Who wants to do it? Because
Yeah.
Grandma keeps breaking them. This is the cat, Scooter. This is the dog, Percy.
This is mapping out for a DIY that's going to be happening. So watch for that video coming soon. We got my mom's Christmas tree because it doesn't fit in the back room. So it's homed here permanently. Folded up ping pong table. That way we have more room to just play games and do whatever we want when we're not playing with that. Over here, we have our bar with no food or drinks in it, so that's fun. I think we have candy canes and jelly beans. That's what we got.
You can't really see it. It's too dark.
That's fine. And then
Ping pong paddles.
we got our
You
mini
got a
fridge.
now? Awesome.
So I don't
And
think
here's
there's
the
anything
drink
in this.
glasses.
Oh, there's
What's
some
in it?
water in it. I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Okay, that'll take those. Then got our microwave, our bar stools,
Microwave. Bar stools.
and there'll be some refurbishing with these.
Oh, are you going to put new tops on them?
Yep. And
Do you ever see those little skirty things you can just put over top of them?
yeah.
Like a shower cap. A shower cap for your stool.
Then over here, we have some shelves with craft supplies on it.
Nice.
Something you're not gonna see because I'm gonna have it blurred out because that's coming in another video. More craft stuff.
Crafty.
Yeah. Then we got a giant mapping out of where a pegboard is gonna go, and
Wait a minute.
and it's gonna. I just see you're like.
This is gonna make me pee my pants. Oh my god.
And we got a hole in the ceiling.
Okay.
And we got a punching bag.